Hello, I'm Rumi. Today we'll practice at the famous Gyeongbokgung Palace in Seoul. Let's get started.
The first pose is called spinal column pose. The second pose is called wide angle seated forward bend.
The next pose is called revolved head to knee pose. This pose stretches the hamstrings, spine, and shoulders while stimulating the major organs.
Let's begin. Now let's repeat the other way.
The next pose is called garland pose or malasana. The next pose is called bow pose or dhanurasana.
The next pose is called upward facing dog pose. I hope you're not tired yet. It's time to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And now we continue our workout.
The next pose is called tree pose or vrksasana hab. Is a balancing yoga pose that strengthens the core and improves stability.
Now let's repeat this pose on the other side.
And the final pose of our practice today is savasana, or corpse pose, is a resting yoga pose.
I hope you enjoyed our practice today. See you in the next videos.